Okay guys, how are you guys doing today? I know I'm barefaced doing an intro. It's fine. It's not new. It's not a new thing. So today I'm going to be comparing because I did a video on the Huda Beauty powder, the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder, and I asked on that video if you guys want to see a comparison with the Sacha Buttercup powder. Let me just apply this. So I'm going to compare the Sacha Buttercup powder with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake loose powder. Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I've done comparison of this for other powders before. I'm going to link all that at the description bar if you're interested. Then some will pop up on this video. This is how Sacha looks like. Everybody knows Sacha. Everybody loves Sacha. And this is it. We have the new Huda Beauty Easy Bake loose powder. I use the shade called KUNAFA. Let's talk about packaging, guys. They both have the similar color of packaging. You have the black band and a clear packaging for you to see the color inside. They both have things written at the bottom, but the Huda Beauty have the name at the top of the powder, while the Sacha have the name at the side of the package. So somebody said I should try testing the Sacha with Blondie from the Huda Beauty powder. Blondie in the Huda Beauty powder with Sacha, but when I look at it, Sacha is more yellow than Blondie. KUNAFA seems to be the right color to compare Sacha with. KUNAFA to compare this video. Packaging, you guys, if you watch this Huda Beauty packaging, it has this cover right here to cover it, and it has a protecting packaging for Sacha. Sacha just come like that, then you can get the powder out, no protecting case, nothing, powder just come out. I'm going to swatch Sacha. This is KUNAFA right here, this is Blondie, and this is Sacha. It's not really showing on camera. That's how the colors look like. Sacha is just a little bit more yellow than Blondie, and KUNAFA is just similar to Sacha. So I'm going to compare KUNAFA with Sacha. So let me stop talking too much and let's get into this video. So what I'm going to do in this clip, I'm just going to do my foundation, then I'll do the eyes because I'll be reviewing some products by Thrive Cosmetic. Product by Thrive Cosmetic. I will be using this for full face. That will be coming up next or before this video. Okay, I'm going to use some brushes by Max, and you can find this in Boots, and it looks like this, and it comes with a sponge, and the sponge looks like this, pretty big because I've wet it with some water. Just prime my face using the Too Faced Peach primer. Guys, the contact I'm wearing will be listed at the description bar if you're interested. Revolution color corrector. I've been loving this. I'll use a sponge to blend this. The MAC Studio Fix foundation that has SPF of 15, and I'm in the shade NC50. To mix the Obsession Illuminator with the foundation just to give me a little bit of glow. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45, the Revolution Concealer in C12.5. Apply this. I'm just going to quickly contour using the Maybelline Fits Me. Now I'm done blending the cream. The Huda Beauty on the right hand side of my face. Like that will be the left hand side of my face on camera. Apply the Sacha, which will be the right side of my face on camera. So if you guys understand, so the battle of the powder begins. As you can see that yellow, it reminds me of Sacha, right? I'll apply a lot so that you can see it. Flip the sponge. I'm going to take Sacha. You know, I have so much powder on my face, right? I don't need this much powder, but for the sake of this video, I'm applying a lot of powder. Now that you can see Huda Beauty this side, Sacha this side, they look so similar, guys. Look the same. It's like I apply one powder on my face. They look the same. The thing I'm saying is that the Huda Beauty is fading away really, really fast. I just applied this like 3 minutes ago. Look at that. It's fading really, really fast. I'll apply more of the Huda Beauty because it's fading really fast and I need to do my eyes before blending it up. The Huda Beauty is more softer than the Sacha on the face. The colors look really similar. So I'm going to leave this, then I'll go do my eyes. When I come back, I'll dust off this excess on my face. Then we'll talk about how they disappear, how they blend. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. So guys, I've done my eyes. Huda Beauty side has faded really well. Like this is just soaking into my skin, and the Sacha is still there. So comparison, the Huda Beauty fade more than the Sacha. Yes, you can see this is dusting off nicely. Like this is Sacha. Sacha, are you ready to go, babe? They both look the same to me. They both look the same. I don't have anything to say. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Apart from the way they feel, the Huda Beauty feels really soft on the skin than the Sacha Buttercup. The Huda Beauty fades better when you apply it than the Sacha Buttercup. But when you set your makeup and you dust off the powder, they both look the same. They look the same. Yeah. Ebony bronzer. Ebony bronzer. So to spray my face, I'm just going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So guys, this is the look. I've finished up my eyes, as you can see, but I was reviewing the Thrive Cosmetic makeup. So this is a new brand to me. Maybe you've not heard of it too. So if you want to see this review, check it out. And it's vegan and cruelty-free brand, which is nice. And if you buy something, they give back to cancer patients, which is really nice. So check out this review if you're interested in this makeup. So link will be at the description bar and up here if you're interested. So for the powders, guys, the Huda Beauty powder looks nice. The Sacha Buttercup looks nice. They both do the job. Like, they both do the job. I'm never going to lie. They look really nice. They look similar. The price range, Huda is more price, like Huda is Huda. Huda is £28, while Sacha is £20. So yeah, but this Huda Beauty is very soft. It's soft, while the Sacha feels a bit dry now that I'm blending my hand to it. So what I'm going to do is this. I don't need to do this, but I'll wear this powder for the whole day. When I come back, we will know which one lasts longer. Let me know if you like this type of method. So I'm going to go and come back and show you how the powder look throughout the day, how I wear it. But for now, I'll take a picture with my flash to see if they both have flashback. Somebody will ask, let me take a picture using flash. There's no flashback. See that there's no flashback in the two powder. I will recommend the two powders to you, but I'm going to see how I wear that out during the day, like I said. So stay tuned for how it looks on during the day if you're interested. Okay. Hi guys, I know I look crazy right now because yeah, I'm tired. Final thought on the powders, because I was about washing my face and I remembered I need to come update you guys about the powder on my under eyes. And the rest of my face, I know my lashes is off, everything is looking messy. I was about washing my face before I remembered, so I was like, okay, let me come on here to do the final review for you guys. So I apologize on how my face is looking right now. So for the powder, as you can see, let me come closer to you. They are both not creasing. They are both not creasing on my under eyes. I'm checking. They're both not creasing on my under eyes. Yeah, come closer to you. Can you see any different? This is the Huda Beauty side and this is the Sacha side. I didn't even notice that I was wearing two different powder on my face. They both do the same thing. I'm trying to like squint to see if any is creasing. No. The way I set my makeup, I've been using Sacha for like years now, like roughly 2 years now. Since I started my makeup journey, I've been using Sacha, so I know Sacha works for me. Huda Beauty works too, so I know that Beauty has more shade. That's what I would say. Yeah, more shade range for all colors. All right, so it's a bit of hit and miss on what you want to buy. So buy which one you want to buy. Is your money, do you? I'm just saying. So that is all I have to say. The both powder works fine. They look really similar. The KUNAFA and the Buttercup by Sacha look really similar on the face. You can't even tell any difference. Let me know if you like their packaging, what you like in the brand, if you've used them before, if you've seen them before. Let me know at the comment section. You know how we do, we talk about things, you know. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video / review / first impression. Thank you so much for watching. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.